Hello everyone, this is short tutorial 101 on OBS Studio. For those who never used this program before, I cannot screencast from the laptop itself since I'm using the utilities, the webcam and the microphone for OBS. So I have to record externally using my camera. Hopefully the picture will be clear. So when you open the OBS for first time, it will prompt you to optimize either for streaming or for video recording. First, we'll go to setting and set up the resolution. So we go to the output. First, we set MP4. By default, it is FLV. You better set to MP4, it's much easier since we are not using streaming, so no problem. Second step, we'll set the resolution, and we set up the resolution of the canvas and the output. It depends on your PC resolution. You better set up your PC resolution as 16:9 aspect ratio, so you can upload directly to YouTube without having black bars. You can set here the resolution. Here I have it 16:9 for the canvas, also the video output. Also, one important setting is the hotkeys. You can set for streaming as well as for recording. I set here start recording, pressing number 1, then stop recording, pressing number 2. You just change by pressing any button on the keyboard, it will change. So I set number 2 stop and number 3 pause the video. So you don't have to go and start and stop manually from here. Second step, you do the resources for your capture. So you press the button plus. You can add display capture. You can add image. You can add video. You can add a video capture, which is your webcam. So the main thing is the screencast, which is the display capture. So we set the display capture first. Okay, now we see this red color rectangle is your 16:9 aspect ratio. Means if you have a PowerPoint and you set on slideshow, it will fill up the screen. Now we add another thing. We can add now the webcam, so it is the video capture. So we can resize. If you want to overlay the display on top of webcam, you just pull this one to the top. So this one is on top now. You can shift this one. You see the webcam is behind. You can resize the screen and you can move whatever on your display here. We can add other things. We can add media source, a video. So let's choose this video. Now we have the option either loop or restart the playback once you activate the window. Okay, so it will start playing back. Again, we can make this one in the background by pulling it down in the priority. So this is in the back now. We can pull out the webcam here. We can resize the video. So now this is the video playing in the background. If I press this I button, it will make this source invisible or disappear. Once I re-click again, it will restart playing from the beginning since we pushed that check box, replay once you activate this window. So let's shut it off for now. We can add other things. Let's add a picture, background, image. Okay, now this screen, we can push it in the background by pulling again this resource down. So we pull below the screencast. So this blue one now is the screencast. we can make the screencast inside the screen, so it will appear as your PowerPoint coming from the screen. Then you can make the video capture on top. So this is your video capture. I have to move to this side. So if we play, for example, this PowerPoint, make it full screen. Now we can press the shortcut key number 1 to start recording. Now you do your PowerPoint normally. So this is a normal PowerPoint. Then you press the shortcut number 2 to stop recording. Now we can play back the video. Now you can see this is the recorded video and the PowerPoint is playing. If you make your background white color, it will be much better. It can blend directly to the PowerPoint. You can have many ideas. You can have many background pictures and some creative ideas for your video. So my advice is to mute the system audio here unless you are playing a video from your PC. So it will mute all the notification from Windows. You use this one, which is the microphone output, to capture your audio. So hopefully this short tutorial is useful. Thank you for watching.